Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am going to be unboxing my new iPad Pro. This is the refurbished product, so this isn't really the new the new iPad Pro. This is a 2017 version. It was way cheaper than the new ones that got released this year and last year, I believe. So it's pretty current. I will be linking everything in the description box down below, as well as the case that I got, the screen protector, the iPad obviously, and then the Apple Pencil. So yeah. Where the fun part begins. I was very excited to open this, a little ASMR aesthetic part. Anyways, I'm gonna stop talking and okay, I'm just playing. Continue. Whoa. Okay, so obviously this comes with a charger, and that's basically it. It's basically like a brand new iPad, except it's not brand new, you know. You'll get everything, the charger and all of these, the instructions, or I don't know what that's called, I don't know, whatever that is, and then you get the USB cable and then the cube. But yeah, this is the big iPad. It's like whole
By the way, please don't be a hero. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P. Bling blow, ooh, she no skateboard P.
That go like bullets in your head.
Everything will be in the description box down below. If you are curious, if you have any more questions about it, please leave them in the comment section down below as well. I will be more than happy to answer them there, or I can make a video separately regarding all of your questions for a refurbished product. It was way cheaper, like I said, and the Apple Pencil was way cheaper as well because they got the student discount. So now I'm going to be opening my case. I got this from Amazon. I will be linking it down below, and I'll be linking down the screen protector as well. This is how it looks. The material is really good. I liked it, and it was pretty cheap as well. So the back part feels like rubber. I really liked it overall. It's a good case. I will link it down below. This is the glass screen protector. It came with two, so I really like that. I didn't even know, so it was a surprise to me, and it was cheap as well. I'll be linking everything down below. Please don't forget to check that out. So overall, am I happy with my purchase? Yes. Do I care that it's refurbished? No. Did I save a lot of money? Yes. Literally, this refurbished iPad is the same as a new iPad Pro. All refurbished iPad models include the same 1-year warranty as a brand new iPad, all manuals and accessories, a new battery, an outer shell, and a new white box. The only difference here is that you're not getting the original box that it'll come in if it were brand new. That's it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked it, please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Comment down below any questions or anything that you feel. That's weird. Oh, right. I am going to be doing a what's on my iPad video. I have been watching those ever since I ordered my iPad. And yeah, is another alternative you can take if you don't have too much money, and I really like it. I'll show you guys more in the future, and I'll be making more videos about this. So thank you so much for watching. Subscribe for future videos that I will be doing in this quarantine life. Yeah. Okay, bye.